Hey everybody, Russell Graves here at Hackberry Farm, and today I was out doing some work on the farm and the FedEx truck showed up, and lo and behold, he brought me this brand new box. Let's see what's in it. I've been waiting on this box for a few days. I had to wait over the New Year's holiday, so it took an extra day to get here, but I'm pretty excited about what's in it because I know, so I thought I'd let you guys join in with me. So let me open it up. It's well packed. Got all this big bubble wrap in there. I'll do something with that later, but here's the main thing. I just got the new Canon R5 Mark II camera. I'm pretty excited about this. So I got that. Let me get everything out of here. I got the BG R20, which is the battery control grip. We'll talk about that. I got the couple other things. Lens cleaning cloth. B&H Photo was giving those away for free. An extra battery for the camera. And then I also got a Extreme Pro Type B card as well. So I'm pretty excited about all of this stuff. Let's dig into it. I think they sent it all. I'll have to check the packing list, but let's dig into it and see what we got. The first thing is the camera, which these things always have a lot of packaging. The owner's manual, which I hardly ever read those. I got the battery, which was going to have we'll have two batteries for the battery grip. I got the, dig that out. I think that's a charger. Yeah, got a charger, which I've got a million of those. I think, and I'll have to check this, I think these chargers, I think the old batteries I know will work in this new camera, and I think the old chargers will work with the new battery. I'm not 100% sure about that, but I better check on that. And then we got a strap, which I probably won't do much of that strap. I may leave it on temporarily till I get another one. And inside the box, we've got, looks like a USB-C cord. And then, not sure what this is. Oh, it's one of those, I'm not sure what that's called, but it's one of those things that you can put on the side of the camera, and it kind of helps keep all your cords in, so we'll get rid of that. And then here's the star of the show. Pretty excited about this camera. This Canon R5 Mark II. I've heard a lot of good things about it. I've used it a little bit out on a workshop, and a fellow guest had one, so I used one for about 10 or 15 minutes. And like any camera, any new camera, they're all good. This one seemed to work well, so I was needed to upgrade anyway, so I grabbed this one. So let me clean up a little bit here. Get the battery out. Yeah, there's the battery there. Set that stuff aside. All the packaging material, the USB-C, and then the battery grip here. I'm a big fan of these battery grips, and really always have been. One of the things I found out early on when you use battery grips, one of the early criticisms of mirrorless cameras were that they went through batteries pretty quick. And I think that's gotten better over time. They're not nearly as bad at battery hogs as they used to be. I know there's a couple of ways that you can manage, and I'll do a video about that later. A couple of ways that you can manage your camera to ensure you don't use as much battery. But the thing I like about these is the fact that, let me try to put this whole thing together. Yeah, these have a little clip right there, and here's something you might not have known, or maybe you do, but all these battery grips have a little compartment right here that you can take the lid. Well, if I can get it in there. Anyway, it gives you a place to store the lid so you don't lose it. And that way, if you want to take the battery grip off, you can. And then all these guys screw together. So I like these battery grips for one thing. They hold 2 batteries so the camera lasts a lot longer. And number 2, I just like the way the camera feels bigger in my hand, and it's just easier for me to grip over time. Number 3, it also allows me, because I'm one of the rare ones that still shoots in landscape mode as well as portrait mode. And so when you shoot in portrait mode, you've still got access to a button up here. You've got access to all your controls in the back, and it just, for me, it makes it a lot handier. Oh, here's another thing. B&H had a promotion where if you ordered one of these cameras, they threw in a 512 gigabit card, so that ought to come in pretty handy. So this is everything. I'm going to get the batteries charged up. I'm going to get it all going, see how I get it all set up. I'll give you an update pretty soon about what my impressions of the whole thing. So I know I'll like it. I mean, I'm not very critical of cameras overall, because to me it's miraculous that the cameras can do what they can even do. So I'll get this thing charged up. Hopefully tomorrow, if the weather's not too bad, I'll get out and be able to get a few more things done and get this camera out, shoot a few pictures, put it through its paces, see how it all works out. So stay tuned for that video. I'll see you soon.